Here is the video of brainstorming. I've got it further out. I'm going to take it closer in and show you something. The floater frames that I attached to these 3/8 inch canvas paintings just made this really pop. And you can see that there is just a little edge in there where it sets in. So each of these are framed in a floater frame, and you put the hardware on the back, and so then you leave about 2 to 3 inches in between each painting. And I'm not an architect or an engineer, so they may not be exact, but you can see how it still pops with those frames, how it comes alive and hanging on the wall now. It's been about 2.5 years since I finished these, so I am so happy with getting this done. And these are now a part of our living room, and so I just wanted to show that to you. It is so awesome to have them up, done, and hanging. So there you go.